Hello everyone, welcome to SP Global Group. Today I am starting ratio and proportion part number 4. We have already done ratio and proportion part 1, part 2, part 3. So let us see the question. Here question is what? In a certain school, the ratio of boys to girls is 7:5. If there are 24 students in the school, then how many girls are there in the school? So there is a very simple technique for this type of the question. So here given total number of students and here boys and girls ratio given, right? So total means boys plus girls. So just simple technique is what? Total number is 2400 and ratio of boys girls sum is 7 plus 5 12. So this is 12. So 12 to the 24. We will get 200. Now we need what? How many girls are there? So number of girls we need. So girls equal ratio is what? 5. So our answer will be 5 into 200. So 5 to the 10, that is 1000 is our correct answer. So D is our right answer. Now see the second question. The second question is what? Very important question of expeditions. So a truck covers a distance of 640 km in 10 hours. A car covers the same distance in 8 hours. So what is the ratio of the speed of the truck to that of car? So you know a speed is what? Distance upon time. So we are finding ratio of a speed of truck to that of car. So speed of truck is what? Distance upon time. So distance is given 640 and time is given 10. Now divide a speed of car. So speed of car, distance upon time, same distance. So distance is same and time is different, that is it. So this portion divide this portion. So rule is what? 640 by 10 multiply 8 by 640. So this cancel. 2 4 are 8, 2 5 are 10, right? So correct answer is 4:5. We can solve this question by other ways also. 4:5 right answer. So we can solve this question directly also. So here just like a speed is what? Distance upon time. So speed and time are inversely proportional. So direct you can use for truck 10 hour and for car 8 hour. So ratio will be reversed. So direct answer is what? 8 by 10 we can use. So this is also 4:5 our right answer. So none of these is correct answer. Now see the third question. The third question is what? The speed of 3 cars are in the ratio of 2:3:4. Then find the ratio between the time taken by these cars to cover the same distance. So here a speed ratio is given and we have to find ratio between the time taken this by car. So very important question. What is the technique? You know a speed equal to distance upon time. So speed and time is what? Inversely proportional. So we are finding time taken ratio. So ratio of time taken will be what? See. So ratio of time taken will be what? Inverse of speed. That is 1/2 ratio, 1/3 ratio and 1/4 ratio. Now this ratio is given in fraction. We will change this ratio into simple. So what is the technique? Just multiply each ratio by LCM of denominator. So denominator is what? 2, 3, 4. So you know what is the LCM? So LCM of this number is what? 12. How? See. So when we find LCM of 2, 3, 4. So basic rule is what? 2 1 are 2. This is 3, 2 2 are 4. Again this is 1. This is 3, 1. So answer is what? 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. So LCM of denominator is 12. Now multiply each ratio by 12. So half into 12 1 by 3 into 12 and 1 by 4 into 12. So we will get 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12 and 4 3 are 12. So correct answer is what? 6 ratio 4 ratio 3. Now we will check D option is what? 6 ratio 4 ratio 3. This is our right answer. Now see the fourth question. The fourth question is what? 35% of a number is 2 times 75% of another number. Then what is the ratio between the first and the second number? So for this type of question, simple technique is what? 35% of first number. Suppose your first number is x. So 35% of first number, so 35% of x equal to what? 2 times that is 2 multiply 75% of another number. So 75% of what? That is y. Now very simple technique. This is the percent. So this percent and this percent cancel out. Now 5 7 are 35 and this is 5 1 are 5. This is 15. Now this is 7x and this is what? 15 2 are 30y. So we need what? Ratio first and the second. So first number is x, second number is y. So this is what? 30 by 7. So our correct answer is what? 30 ratio 7. So here 35 ratio 6, 31 ratio 7, 23 ratio 7, 32 ratio 9. So our correct answer is what? None of these right answers.